Assalamu alaikum students. Subject EVS 1, Chapter 7. Let us solve our own problems. As we have completed with the explanation, let us begin with the notes of this chapter. Fill in the blanks. Turning a blind eye towards problems makes them dash. The answer is worse. It is important to be able to identify dash. Answer is issues. Moving on to the next question, answer in one sentence. In that first question, what is meant by issues in civic life? Answer, problems faced by people in cities and villages are called problems or issues in civic life. In that B1, how can problems in civic life be solved? These problems can be solved through everyone's effort and cooperation. In that C1, name the great personalities that stressed the importance of cleanliness. Answer is Sant Gadge Baba and Rashtra Sant Tukdoji Maharaj were the two great personalities who stressed on cleanliness. Moving on to the third question, answer in short. In that first question, explain the concept of cleanliness in the village through Shramdan. Answer you will write in point form. In that first point, Shramdan means voluntary contribution for labor. Second point, the villagers are inspired by leaders or by the head of the locality to keep their area or village clean. Third point, there must be cooperation and each one must do his part without complaints. Fourth point, everyone helps in clearing the village. The village belongs to all. Hence, all will do their jobs well. This is Shramdan. Moving to the B question, how can a suitable environment for peace be created? Again, you will write the answer in point form. The first point in this, to create a peaceful society, the basic needs of all its sections can be met. Each person must get the necessary security. Third point, all exploitations in society must be stopped and inequality must decrease. Third point, everyone must have the right to participate in public life. Fifth point, by learning the importance of peace and using peaceful methods, we can create a peaceful environment everywhere. Moving on to the fourth question, what will you do in the following situation? The class leader wishes to maintain quiet in the classroom. I will decide to remain silent and explain to others in class the importance of silence and the need to cooperate with the class leader. Second one, for some unavoidable reason, the maths teacher is unable to attend class today. Answer, I will help the class leader to maintain peace and control the students. I will ask all to cooperate since there should be no noise. and a chaos that will distract and disturb the other classes. Third one, during a match, a dispute has arisen between the two teams on the playground. Answer, I will ask someone to go and call the sportsmaster and the coach to solve the problem. And in the meantime, I will try to keep the crowd under control.